Check this.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to discuss about app locks. So everyone have been installed the app lock passwords and putting securities for each and every application. So after installing, how to hide your application, it means that how to hide your app lock. So I will show you a small trick. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and install the application Applock. So I have already installed, so I don't need to install again. So you have to go for settings, and here finger plus lock, you have to press that finger plus lock, and you have application, you have option called hide app lock. So I hided my application, and I already secured with some applications. I will show you that applications. So see, Chrome is already with the lock, so I'll relock it. You put each and every one application, you put one security password. So it is phone pay and also some other personal accounts and S bank, like bank accounts, you put some passwords. No, so after that, how to reopen that application, I will show you how to reopen that application. Open dial pad and type hash 1234 and green button, press green button. So this is the application, the unhided application. So again you have to change the settings, like unhide that application. It will show in gallery, it will show on your UI interface. So friends, it is a simple trick to follow how to hide your app lock. So thanks for watching friends, please subscribe.